Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the controller drift on Nintendo Switch. So what you can do is head to the system settings over here. Then you want to scroll down to find controllers and sensors, enter this, and over here you will find calibrate control sticks. Let's enter this, and now what you need to do is simply tilt and hold the control stick that you want to calibrate. So you want to use the stick that is drifting. Now you will see this screen where you will have a circle with a cross section and a plus symbol in the center. And then if you move around, then this is how it works. If you don't have the plus symbol but a circle instead, then you can calibrate it. Of course, if everything is fine, you should not calibrate, only when something is wrong with the control sticks. So in that case, you want to press X in order to calibrate. After that, follow the instructions that will be displayed on your screen and then move the joystick in the required direction until the triangle changes color. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.